A phone for humans. The Light 2 phone. This is the EINK smartphone available today. It is designed in New York, which doesn't mean much because it's all going to be assembled in China. This unit has no backlight, but promises to be a very high quality experience. In fact, in the instruction manual and the informative page they include in the box, they teach you a little bit about what EINK is all about. For example, they say there might be ghosting, there might be some different things you'll see on the screen, and a little bit of some unresponsiveness, because that is all what EINK is all about effectively, ease of your eyes and ease on the battery. This is the Light 2 phone, everybody. I don't really know much about this, completely honest. This is something that we've been trying to deal with these guys for a while, and really this serves as one of the only smartphone / cell phone options when it comes to EINK. Basically, if you guys don't know, please check our channel. Hisense rules the roost when it comes to EINK smartphones, cell phones, portable kind of candy bar shaped units. There's no competition. There really isn't. Onyx tried a couple times. You got the WeChat phone over here. You got the Docomo Kyocera smartphone that looks like a card. No one can stand up to Hisense. Can these guys? Well, we're about to find out. In the most respectful way possible, I don't think they can. Reason being, that's not what this device is about. This is more simplicity rather than mass usability. How do you get this out? Oh my lord. I don't even know. It's really in there. Alright, I just realized there's a little rip strip on here. You can't push this out. And you know what else I noticed? There's corrugated cardboard on the top and bottom. When it was wrapped in plastic, I thought it was a book. You know what I mean? Like a book-esque appearance. This is one and done. In fact, this is one of the only devices you have to absolutely mutilate the box to open, like an Amazon device. Oh, here we go. The Light phone is foregoing light. Is foregoing 2 words? I thought to forego was 1. Okay. Oh, foregoing. I get it. It is a choice. How will you experience your life today? Appreciate your time. Life is right now. Much love, Light. That's really cool. I believe in that too. You should really just sit back and relax sometimes, you know? What a cool box! This is absolutely tripping my mind here. Look at, wow! Okay, guys. Hello and thank you. Look at this box. Absolutely phenomenal. This is a great box! I'm thoroughly surprised. If you guys are watching, thank you, Light. This is great. You got the having trouble, you got support, you got exactly what's in there, you got everything that tells you where everything is. Speaker, power button. Man, if this had a glow light, just at face value, I'm judging it because it doesn't have a glow light. You know, you might think, oh, well, they're going for simplicity. Yeah, but you can't use it unless you get light. And that's... I don't know if that's part of the name. They're like, it is light and it's lightweight and you need light. I don't know if that's what's going on. You get a very nicely wrapped micro USB. Oh, ouchie, wow. Micro USB, everybody. And the phone itself is right here. This is very close to the Kyocera. This might even be a white label with a different bulbousy back. That's almost exactly like, you know what, we're probably going to have to bring in a Kyocera Docomo phone to compare it, because this is looking suspiciously similar, which is fine. I mean, that's what companies do. They white label. They take something that's already been established, and then they white label off of that. We did that. Lots of manufacturers in the industry do that. Pine Note does that. Bokeen does that. Bokeen's huge. All right, well, this is the power button, correct? Yes, it is. All right, let us power it on. We got plenty of light here in the studio. Wow, okay. It's very easy to see. I can tell you that right out of the gates. There's no problem with visibility, and that's a lot entirely attributed to the EINK screen. And what they're kind of saying is you don't need light. You know what I mean? Glow light, that is. You obviously need ambient light. If it's too dark, you can't see anything because there's no light. So that's a downside. I think this is just still booting up, but let's look at the device while we do. It's a flush screen and bezel with the biggest bezels south of the Mississippi. That is huge. You have a bunch of buttons on the side. I know what they are offhand. I'm not going to read this little thing. So everyone, you get up, down, toolbox menu, and you get a light sensor at the top. Display, micro USB, microphone. Sounds good. That's very nice. So this says, welcome, greeting. We have to connect to Wi-Fi to do the latest software. We are going to do that all in a future video because we don't want you guys sitting here watching us set this up on an E-Ink screen, hijacking all of our passwords and whatnot. No, we love you guys. You guys are fantastic. If you didn't notice, I'm here alone in the studio because it is the holiday season. We got a bunch of samples, so the videos are going to be a lot more candid, I guess you could say. This is everything that comes in the box with the Light Phone 2, everybody. If you guys want to stick around for a future review, it's coming up soon. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.